obsession with being thin started in 7th grade, and then when we moved to New York, that's when I started abusing laxatives and Dexatrim diet pills, and trying not to eat for days on end.
I think that a lot of it was hitting puberty and not having any sort of sense of myself. I kind of was a shell. I had been an anxious child, kind of a depressed child, although I probably didn't look like it on the outside. That's what I remember, is feeling anxious and depressed. It's almost like, oh, some way of controlling things, you know, like this, a bunch of stuff going on.
Oh, it was so devastating. I remember I was sick a lot, and you know, it was a secret because I was sick a lot because I was abusing these laxatives. So I had horrible digestive issues, and I was at home, you know, missing school, and I was depressed a lot, and I had problems, and I was angry at everybody. Yeah, I would say that it impacted my mom probably the most, and my dad, but they just felt super helpless. Like they didn't know how to understand it, and they would say things like, don't you see that you're beautiful and you have so much going for you? And I couldn't see any of that. I saw what I was lacking, you know, I saw what wasn't right as opposed to what was right.
Like to think of it that way when I do get kind of like, oh, I wish, you know, I wish I fit into these jeans still, or I did. What good have you done in the world today? Like, switch it immediately.
I think to encourage a message of strength as opposed to thinness. You know, to congratulate like perseverance as opposed to victimhood, or showcase other strengths like academics or sports. You know, you don't see an athlete win a scholarship to a college because they're skinny. Usually they're, you know, look at Venus Williams or Serena Williams. I mean, those girls are big and buff and ripped, and they've worked really hard. And I would like to see more of that. That like what's attractive is healthy and athletic and strong. You know, to kind of do away with, like when someone says to me, you look thin, I used to always be like, thank you. You know, it was such a compliment. But now I just want someone to say you look healthy.